Welcome to our video on creating a peaceful meditation space. In this video, we will show you how to create a calm and relaxing environment in your home where you can unwind and meditate. With our tips and ideas, you can transform any space into a tranquil oasis. The first step in creating your meditation space is to choose an area in your home that feels peaceful and quiet. This could be a spare room, a corner of your bedroom, or even just a designated spot in your living room. Look for a space that feels comfortable and calming to you. Once you have chosen your space, it's time to declutter and organize it. Remove any unnecessary items or clutter from the area. Make sure that everything has a proper place and that your space feels clean and tidy. Color and lighting play a critical role in creating a peaceful environment. Consider painting your walls a calming color, like blue or green, and installing soft lighting fixtures. You could even add some candles or fairy lights to create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. When it comes to furniture and decor, keep it simple and minimalistic. A comfortable cushion, some basic shelves, and a small table are all you need. You could also add some plants to bring a natural element to your space and to help purify the air. Finally, add some finishing touches that are personal to you. Perhaps you could add some soothing music or soundscapes, hang up some artwork that inspires you, or display some meaningful objects. Whatever you choose, make sure it reflects your personality and helps you feel relaxed and at ease. And there you have it, a peaceful meditation space that's tailored to your needs. Remember, even the busiest of schedules can benefit from a few moments of calm and inner peace. So why not create your own meditation space today?